This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by measuring the problem. Play a short test clip and note the offset in milliseconds. Once done, stop distracting processes and switch to performance power mode so system latency drops. Make sure to use wired connections, Ethernet, USB audio, or direct HDMI, because wireless adds jitter. These steps reduce variables so adjustments work predictably. You're creating a controlled baseline. Without that, calibration will drift and fixes won't stick. Now calibrate precisely by applying the measured millisecond offset in your playback or receiver settings. Adjust in small steps until audio and video align. If your device lacks delay controls, open your media editor and retime the audio track by the same amount, then export a short test file. Once you have an alignment that looks stable, test with different clips and note whether the offset changes between 0, 5, and 2 seconds. This confirms whether the issue is constant or variable. To finish, lock your corrected delay settings and reboot the system so the fix persists across sessions. If desync returns, update firmware and drivers, then remeasure, because software fixes often include latency improvements. If you still see intermittent drift, swap the cable, try another port, or use a dedicated audio interface. Those eliminate common hardware timing problems. If nothing works, record one failing sample and compare logs. That will reveal whether drift is network, buffer, or clock related, guiding the final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.